Hey, what's guys, this is me, your friend Diaz, you are watching Tech, and today in this video I'm going to talk with you about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. So without any further ado, let's get started. Z Fold 2 5G is the successor of Samsung Galaxy Fold 1. The Fold 1 was expensive and having so many different types of bugs, and it wasn't that much good. But Samsung take a look at these problems, and now they are back with Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. And the pricing is kinda okay. Talking about the display, this is 120Hz 7.6 inches Super AMOLED display, and it is just a mind-blowing experience. Talking about the OS you will be getting is the Android 10, which is One UI 2.5. Talking about the cameras you will be getting is the triple rear camera setup, which is all cameras are 12 megapixel. One is wide, which is at f1.8. The telephoto is at f2.4. The ultra wide is at f2.2. Talking about the cameras, on the front side you will be getting is the single 10 megapixel camera, which is wide at f2.2. Talking about the battery, you'll be getting is the 4500 mAh lithium polyethylene battery. Inside the box you will be getting is the 25-watt travel adapter with 11 watts of wireless charging and 4.5 watts of reverse charging, and the phone will be charging via through Type-C cable. For the storage you will be getting is the 12 GB RAM and 512 GB internal storage, and the second variant is the 12 GB RAM and 256 GB internal storage with UFS 3.1. About the colors you will be getting is the three colors, which is Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze, and the third one is the Tone Brownie edition. The pricing as per the base variant, in India it would be around 1,50,000 INR rupees, and in USA it would be around $2,000. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share among your friends, and subscribe to Tech YouTube channel. By the way, this is me, your friend Diaz, you are watching Tech, and I will catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay with Tech. Peace.